And for my next amazing cheat, I absolutely love this paint, Flower and Ball, but it is top of the range and top of the price bracket. So if you don't want to spend loads of money, there are ways around it. Get the paint scanned and have a copy made. I don't normally recommend doing that because I'm a bit of a snob when it comes to paint, and I do like the expensive paints, but sometimes it's just not worth the expense. And this job, as I keep going on, is about an 8 or a 9 grade out of 10. So I'm not going to spend loads of money on that paint when I can get away with it with that one. But the best way I find to get a colour match is actually if you use the actual paint and make your own little colour sample and have that scanned in the shop. Got this one done in B&Q. So they're actually scanning my colour card that's the actual paint, not just your little colour swatch that you open up and you've got a tiny little square, about a couple of centimetres square, and it's just ink on there. So it's probably not an identical match. And then you come home and you use your fake one. I think it's nothing like the real one, but this is going to be as close as it's going to get. So I paid £80 for that, whereas these ones, I can't remember how much they are, but I think the big 5 litre one is sort of like £80, £90 just for 5 litres. I've got 10 litres for £80, and you'd need a pretty critical eye to know that it wasn't the same colour as this one. The finish may be fractionally different, but you'd have to have a hawk eye to know the difference. I probably would know, but I've got 30 years of experience. But when you're only going for that 8 or 9 out of 10 grade, it doesn't really matter when you've saved loads of money. So that's my latest trick. This one, paint your own colour swatch with the actual paint. Get a sample pot, which is only about £4, paint your sample pot, and then save loads of money. Job done.